Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and over the last couple of days, I've showed how to make this where it looks like it's a stair-stepped type deal. And one of my subscribers suggested just take a triangle. So all I did was take the polygon tool, turn it into 3 sides, and then make a triangle, holding down the control button, and then flip it. I made it upside down triangle. Now, I normally don't do this, but I'm going to go ahead and show how to draw this block real quick. Holding down the control button, let's make it a 6-sided. And then just grab the 2-point line, and it should snap to the center. Go from that node to that node, and from that node to that node. And then just take your Smart Fill tool and fill in these spots. Keep changing the color to make it a little darker. And then one more, make it in between those two. So that's how I made the block. But for the video, I'm going to use this block right here. So we need to just move this block to the node right there. Hit the plus key on the keyboard and move it over here. Now, the reason I'm not using Control D, because if I Control D, it would move it way over there. And this way we've got it. Now grab these two, open up the effects docker or effects and blend them 3 times, hit apply. You know, they're really not quite far enough apart. Let's do this. Let's make holding down the shift button, let's make our triangle a little bit smaller. I want them overlapping quite a bit. Well, we've already got another copy, so we can just do this. Now I need to grab it right in the center so it'll snap to it. And then grab this one and snap to it. Now take these two and blend them. That looks really good. Now I would take them and go up to Object and break the blend apart. And then take this one, hold down the shift and blend them. Go up to Object, break blend apart, grab this one, hold down the shift, blend these. And then all you have to do is go up here and go Object, break blend apart, and then take this one right here and let's ungroup it, because we need just that one. And then go up to Object, Order, Back a Page. Now we need to take away our triangle so it doesn't show. But that way it looks like, and it looks a little bit off. It's a little bit different than the other ways I made it, but it is a neat effect. I might have to really look at this again, but that gives you an idea how to use that triangle. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.